Experience an effortless transformation that rivals department store results with Olay Total Effects Anti-Aging Daily Face Moisturizer. Reformulated with 40% more vitamins, its VitaNiacin Complex fights the 7 signs of aging with vitamin B3. The 7-in-1 formula combines humectants and skin conditioners to help keep skin hydrated. Its vitamins and antioxidants hydrate to help reduce the look of age spots, minimize the appearance of pores, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This face moisturizer nourishes and hydrates to visibly reduce signs of aging for younger-looking skin. Get an effortless skin transformation at your fingertips with Olay Total Effects Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Daily, all-in-one face moisturizer for younger-looking skin. Experience an effortless transformation that rivals department stores results with Olay Total Effects Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Fights the 7 signs of aging with hydration to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. 7 benefits: visibly smooths fine lines and wrinkles, evens skin tone appearance, enhances brightness, minimizes the look of pores, visibly reduces age spots, restores firmness, replenishes moisture. Proven VitaNiacin Complex, with vitamin C and E, exfoliates to enhance skin's natural self-renewal process for healthier looking skin. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer. Available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.